Birthday ko mismo. Alaw. Hey. Next song. Salubungin. Wait. Let's watch that. Ay, galing. Ay, galing talaga kumanta. Hindi na ako magpapamusic, yan na yung music ko. Ay. Glasses, kasi bawal ako mag-contacts. Minuan sa bawal, like, hindi pwede for my eye condition. I will finish Arky. Eh, pakagaling naman talaga kumanta. Guys, bumili ako ng cellphone. Tingnan mo. Gaganto siya, oh. Galing, diba? 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 AJ Ape. Yeah, this is the new Flip 6. Thank you guys so much.
You're like a statue.
Pero this is only my temporary phone. Saan yung pag inopen? Parang Spice Girls. Ay, Spice Girls. He likes it.
Oh, no problem. Bigatling.
He likes it.
You know bigatling?
Bigatling?
It's like landing in Tagalog. Bigatling is really small. Bigatot is really big.
Ah, yun di ko. Biga, on in, Ilonggo.
Yeah. Parang ganun.
Gabi nag-on ka man.
Yeah.
Biga-biga man sa imo.
Bigatling.
Kabalo ko na magbiga-biga.
Biga-biga?
Say it. Biga-biga man sa imo.
Ha?
Biga-biga. Try it.
Biga-biga?
Yeah. Biga-biga man sa imo.
Biga-biga? Asayin mo?
Yan.
Galing.
Kabalo ka namang hambal sa Ilonggo. Amo gidna.
Hirapan na.
So you're gonna do live until 12?
Yeah. And then after 12, I'm gonna sleep. Mag-practice muna ako ng isa pa, run ng Limitless.
Para
Para
practice.
practice.
Practice time is always fast.
Ngay, kailangan din ng practice. I am limitless. I am Miss Raska. Tell me what's impossible. That would make it all possible. With precision like this, it's wishing no mysteries in a bit, and we're breaking around with it. Oh, I mean
wish when I was 7
you. Are you holding the mic or no?
I mean, whatever. Fine.
Ako din. Kahit.
I think, so I'm okay. I'm G. I am G.
G20. I'm 22.
22 ka na.
I don't like it. Charot.
What do you want to... Ay, ito na. What? This is my interview. I'm the press.
Interview.
G22 AJ's press con. Ano? Before you turn 23, what's something?
23?
Yeah. Before you turn 23, your next birthday, what's 3 things you want to accomplish?
22?
Like, it can be small to big things.
I want to travel the world with...
The world, agad. For 23? In 12 months? Paano ka mag-work?
Hindi. Hindi. Tour. tours, some places around the world with G22.
Okay. Yung pangalawa.
Nationwide
Tour na naman.
tour ulit. G22.
Okay.
I want to have a crush. Like a real person.
Ay.
Not kasi
I thought may crush ka na.
Yung crush na ano, yung... Siyempre, idol yun eh. Idol yun. Iba yung crush talaga.
Kasi.
Kasi guys, di pa ako nagkaka-crush eh.
Okay. The next question for G22 AJ. Hello, I'm Jasmine from Australia. Wow! I would like to ask you, what are 3 things that you couldn't live without dati, pero ngayon, you can live without? Oh!
I can live without...
I don't wanna leave.
I can live without friends. Deep! Deep! Hindi, ano, yung friends na hindi quality. Yung friends lang, yung seasonal friends. Alam mo na yun?
Yeah.
I can live without friends. I can live without... Alam, ang hirap naman ng tanungan. I can live without... Alam mo, ang hirap naman yan.
Ano ba?
I can live without... I can live without the opinions of other people. She's a mature girl.
And the
I can... Pangatlo. I can live without my phone. Hindi, actually hindi. My book. I used to like reading.
For sure. Haven't lived with that in a while.
Never touch that shit. Ay.
Hello. Hello po.
Okay, hello from Rappler.
Ako naman.
Or Inquirer ka.
Denise from Inquirer.
Denise from Inquirer.
If you had a Sailor song.
Solo songs.
Okay.
Kala ko
What?
Sailor Moon.
What do you want to... Like, honestly, like, just like, sa tingin mo, what's the first thing you want to write about?
Ay.
Talk about, you know.
I wanna talk about...
It's not definite, so you can always change your mind. Expect that meaning.
Siguro yung personal experiences ko with the group. Kasi syempre, pag solo ko na.
Parang documentary yung song niya. Okay. Ano, hello po.
Just show yourself daw. Dito ka.
Show myself.
Show yourself. Ayan. Solo, ayan. Show. Tanong ko sa galing dyan.
Ako po, ako si Henry from Rappler.
Ito yung tubig to. Tubig. Fiji. Ayan.
If you were stuck on a deserted island, what are 3 things that you would like to bring?
Deserted island?
Yes.
I wanna bring...
Dessert! Okay.
Definitely water.
Fiji or...
Fiji, my favorite. Fiji. Water. I will bring you para pares tayo stuck doon, te. Hindi pwede ako lumag-isa.
And then you're gonna feed me to the animal.
Oh, no! I will kill you and I will eat you.
Alam mo, napanood ko yung parang movie, like plane crash. I don't know what movie that is. When I was young, it's called Me to Death.
Yeah.
Like they crashed in a plane and like on top.
And then you eat people.
And then they ate them.
Kasi
I
you
always thought, every time I got on a plane ever since I was young. I mean, not now. But I was like, oh my god, if we crash, they're gonna eat me. Anyways.
Yun nga, kasi nga, if you're hungry, you're hallucinating na, makikita mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo na masarap sila. Totoo yun. So,
Okay.
next. So, dahil ko si Jasmine para kainin.
Ano yung third?
Third, I will bring a flare gun. So, I can be saved para anytime. Ganun lang ako. Guys, get me. Ganun. Diba?
So, get you. Nandun pa rin ako.
Pero, hindi ikaw. Ako lang. Iiwanan kita doon.
Okay. Hello po. Ako naman po from PB Patrol. Please, on your experiences ngayon na ilang taon na sa industriya,
Mm.
ano masasabi mo sa ay, yung Grab na tatawa.
Ay,
Matawa.
nandiyan na.
Hello po. Ako po taga-inquirer.
Dami mo daw persona.
Hi po.
Persona ng grata.
Okay po.
No,
Pababa
ang cool
na po
ng
ako.
phone ko, guys. Tapos favorite color ko pa siya. So,
Pababa na
this
po.
is
Okay. Thank you po.
purple and green.
I'll give you a question to simmer with all I'm on.
Oh.
Who has been the most fundamental person in your life? Like, throughout your whole life? Like, one person, like, you consider changed your life? Like, right now, as of the moment, you're 22 years old.
Mm.
Yeah, and you answer that while I'm gone.
Ako na lang.
Kung hindi ako yun, Charis.
Gusto niya siya.
Ako na lang.
Charis.
Ako na lang.
Okay.
So you're asking a specific person who
Yeah.
like kind of
Doesn't have to be-
altered
Yeah.
my way of
Like, yeah, who's just a big piece in your life? Like a mentor, maybe, or something.
Hirap naman yung tanong mo. Pass. Charot.
Okay. Hello po. Ako naman from X.
X. From X.
Simple lang po yung tanong ko.
Ano po ang tanong nyo?
Gusto ko po malaman, ano paborito mong Barbie movie?
Barbie movie. I like Island Princess, Diamond Castle.
Isa lang,
Ay,
ano ba? Dapat hawakan ng mga notes.
Uy, makita ang mga
Siya
bagay-bagay.
nag-close it, ba't ko lang sirado?
Ayan. I like the Barbie and the island. Tama ba?
And Island Princess.
Ayan, island. Actually, no. No. Mas Diamond Castle.
Gusto ko din.
Yeah.
Okay. If you, hello, I'm from, BBC. And,
Oh. Yung ubo niya, pumuputok na.
I'm from BBC. And,
Yes.
if you could stay any age,
Mm.
like in your past, from newborn to 22, what age would you stay and why? Like, there needs to be a reason why. It can't just be like, trip mo lang.
Siguro,
3, for 30 years.
ayoko. Nung 16 ako, I feel like I was full of passion, hope. I was full of...
So, ngayon hindi.
Hindi, meron pa din. Pero, alam mo yung the innocence of a kid.
So, ngayon hindi kayo deserve.
Hindi. Siyempre, di ba, madami naman pagdaanan.
Tama,
Parang
tama.
punong-puno ka na ng... Basta, as you grow older, the more...
Negativity.
Yeah, so, siguro yung kabataan, the youth.
My yours.
Sipping up siya.
Okay.
I hope I enjoyed my youth more. Ay, hindi. I hope I did something more during my youth. Yeah. Like, parang... Kasi na-realize ko, nung kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko kanina, like, they're really enjoying their youth. Ako kasi, dati, na-enjoy ko na naman, pero, alam mo yung puro aral, school, bahay, aral lang, ganun lang. Repeatedly. So, feeling ko sana nag-ano pa ako, like, nag-socialize pa ako more. Sana hindi ako introvert ngayon.
Alright. Hello
Share ko
po.
lang.
Ako ba si Tito Boy?
Tito ba?
Kasi I was gonna say I'm from Tito Boy, but it doesn't make sense. Basta, ako po yun. So, ay, maganda yung tanong ko, pero nakalimutan ko yun. Hello.
Tita girl ka daw, si tita girl.
Ay, ako si Tita Girl. Oh, that's funny. Mm,
Kita girl, pasok.
ano? Would you date a fan?
Definitely. I would definitely date a fan. Kasi, isipin mo, like, supportive na sila. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like, they would understand you. They would be a good support system for you. Definitely. It's not something na hindi imposible mangyari. Period!
Would you date someone who had a language barrier with you?
Grabe naman yung can't understand at all. Iba naman na yun.
Like completely different. Like, let's say, I don't know, French or what.
Culture-wise, gano'n.
No, language. Like, you can't understand each other. Pero you have feelings.
Well, siguro. Kasi you never know. Love is not a language. Not a language. It's not a... Love is a feeling. Not a...
My love is you.
Di ba? Parang, if talagang mahal ka or mahal mo, you will learn them. Ay! You will learn their
Okay.
language. Ganon. Forte. Oh, tinan mo, heart yung binigay niya.
May mga tanong po kayo. I opened the panel po sa mga bullets.
Bullets. Sabi dito, just mag-hello ka po sa akin.
Hello po
Hello
kayo.
ka daw. Uy! Grabe naman talaga si Ji Young eh. Napaka... Diba? Ganun yung naramdaman ko kanina eh. Translator? Pwede pala yun? Translate.
So we have to eat like in less than 10 minutes or
Translate. Translation.
would you learn like a really complex language like Latin for the person you love?
Definitely.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna say that.
Yeah, I would. I love learning languages. Isa na rin yun.
Sir.
Tsaka flex yun.
I was gonna say something but not.
Galing ni Jess mag-isip ng tanong. Daming baon.
My mom's
Yes.
an interviewer.
Oo, yung titita Pin.
What is your definition of success? It's my mom's favorite question.
Wait, didn't she ask us that before?
Yeah.
Tita asked us, what's your definition of
Ikaw na.
success?
Ngayon. Magsasagot.
Of success.
Competition.
Siguro definition ko ng success, yung nanghihingi ka na ng, nanghihingi ka na ng pahinga. Yung napapagod ka, yung ganon. Feeling ko lang.
So gusto mo nang magiging mother?
So din yun. Pero kasi iba-iba tayo ng definition ng success eh. Hindi lang siya about sa pera, hindi siya about, pwede rin siya ng happiness. Yung mga,
Hi, baby boy! Cute-cute naman ang pusa nito.
pag meron talagang food, appreciate agad ng baby.
Spaghetti.
Fast talk daw, fast talk. Tita girl. Tita girl, fast talk. Tita girl.
Sa pasta ko.
What's this? Is this yours?
Yeah.
Mine is a small. Wait.
If you'll be trapped in an island, sino sa SB19 members ang gusto mo makasama? Siguro si Kuya Stel. Hindi ka maboboard. Tsaka parang, si Kuya Stel kasi parang siya, parang, ano tawag dito? Ma-resourceful siyang
I
tao.
already for fast talk.
Oh, game.
What's your favorite food?
Sorry?
Ang bagay.
This food or fruit?
Food.
Food. Jollibee spaghetti.
What's your biggest fear?
Fear? Pwede ba,
Okay, American. What's your biggest fear?
Fear?
3, 2, 1, out.
Grabe naman tong si Tita Girl. Si Tito Boy, di naman ganyan.
Okay, what's your biggest fear?
Biggest fear is losing everyone I love.
If you could be any animal, what would you be?
A cat?
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Ha?
First thing you do
Open
when
my eyes.
What's your biggest accomplishment? Ngayon.
Be achieving things with G22.
What's your biggest regret?
Siguro dropping Arky.
What's one thing you're grateful for?
One thing I'm grateful for. One thing I'm grateful for that I'm with G22.
What's your favorite memory?
Favorite memory. Acer Day.
What's your dream job?
Idol.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Being invisible.
What would you do if you won the lottery?
Invest on G22.
What's the silliest thing you've ever done?
Silliest thing? Parang lahat naman ng ginagawa ko silly.
What's your favorite fictional character?
Ha?
What's your favorite fictional character?
Crollo Lucifer.
What?
Wait, hindi. Ito yan. Ito. Hindi si Lucifer.
What would you name your spaceship? If you had a spaceship.
Spaceship? Ang hirap naman nun. Zishisha walala. Ayun.
Okay.
Tagalog challenge.
Okay. Kung ikaw ay isang object, anong object?
Ano yung object?
Gagawin?
Bagay. Object.
Bagay.
Oh.
Anong bagay mo?
If I was an object?
Kalay tayo. Really?
Candid.
Kung bagay ako, ano ako? Sofa.
So you,
Slouch. Couch potato.
anong pangalan ng superhero mo kung... Ano yan? Anong sasabihin yung alarm clock mo kung pwede siya magsalita?
AJ, kanina ka pa 5 minutes ang 5 minutes. Period.
Ako yun. Kung prutas ka, anong prutas ka?
I'm a dragon fruit.
Alright!
Ah.
Kung yung...
Ang bilis daw magtanong ni Tori Vega. Isa kang victorious dyan. Ano ka ni Vic?
Anong pinaka-ayaw mo na flavor ng ice cream, Ice cream mo?
Flabora ng ice cream, cookies and... Ayaw? Pinaka-ayaw? Mint chocolate. Disgusting as fuck.
Oh... Ratatata.
Guys, ang Tagalog ng flavor ni Jasmine Flabora.
Kung magbubahay ka ng extincto na dinosaur.
Wala ko naiintindihan.
Kung bubuhayin mo ang dinosaur na extinct, extincto,
Namatay na.
namatay, nawalay na sa buhay na ito.
Naglaho na.
Ano yun?
I'm not really knowledgeable about... Ay, talagang sa English. Ano ginagawa mo? T-Rex na lang. Hindi ko na kung alam sa dinosaur. Ano next?
I'm gonna check.
Huh?
Papasok po yung pagkain sa lalamunan.
Yung joke sa kanya.
Ano?
Hirap na hirap siya.
Kung nabubuhay isang song, tas,
Kanta.
isang kanta buhay na.
Namatay pa yung kanta.
Existing song.
Ano yung tanong?
Existing song.
Ano existing song?
Basta, may song nandyan na, nandyan na yung song.
Oh.
And pagpili ka ng song para sa buhay mo, like pang tema siya.
Okay.
Tema
Like
ng
man
buhay
OST.
mo. Anong pipili mo? Pipilian.
Loka. Charot lang. Hindi.
Alam ko na. kung inbentohan, kung bentohan,
Bento?
ibebentahan. Kung
Bento.
ibebentahan
Bento.
ang isang bagong holiday,
Oh.
anong holiday yun?
AJ Day.
Well,
Ngayon. Para may rest tayo. Guys, sakit ng ulo ko. Parang mas sumasakit yung ulo ko sa tanong kaysa sa mismong fast talk. Guys, pag magkaroon ng holiday, AJ Day, lahat walang papasok. Guys, wala.
Pero
Government, school.
Pero ikaw,
Pero ako lang yung papasok.
oo, paano? Kasi yung AJ Day,
Ah.
this is your summer.
Sabado naman birthday mo. Bakit? Lahat ba ng August 10 Sabado? Di naman, di ba?
Happy birthday to you.
Pangalawang gulat.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ay, ako po sila.
Your voice. Happy birthday. Na.
Hindi, kasama niya yung squad. Thank you! Guys, si Althea. Say hi ka.
Hi!
Thank you so much. Isa na akong ganap na G22. Ay, nawala siya. Nawala si Bakla. Nawala siya, guys. Wala na siyang wifi. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
May flowers ako pa
Happy
sa'yo.
birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday
to you.
Boys, may wish bus pa tayo bukas.
Ako na lang.
Korean version, Korean version.
No!
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는
AJ의 생일 축하합니다.
You left the bra at 21 years old.
Free the boob.
What?
Si Gio.
Isang boob lang?
Isa lang. Kira, it's my birthday! Alam niyo ba, fun fact? I got Kira nung birthday ko din. 2 years ago. So, he's also 3 years old.
Good morning. Ay, good morning. Happy birthday. Good morning din actually.
Okay, buksan natin ng letter ni Jasmine. Ayan, taray! You know, I love this kind of,
Holographic.
holographic. Read. Ay, ang haba. Uy, in fairness, ang ganda ng sulat mo. Yung letter ko sa'yo, hindi maganda yung sulat ko dun.
Kasi usually hindi pangit yung mga sulat ko sa mga birthday. Tapos nahiya ako kasi binuksan ni Mika yung ni Mika Salamanca yung video, ay yung letter ko na binigay. Sabi niya, magandang babae, pangit na Hindi, so mahiya na ako. Every time I read a card,
Dadaan. Alam mo, yun din yung ginawa mo nung Christmas.
pangit.
First Christmas natin. Yung may letter ka sa akin.
Oh,
Ang bakit? Kasi namin nadali kasi namin yun eh. Ito, basahin ko na.
okay.
Oh, such a sweet babe. Charot lang.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Such a sweet person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ano ba, last year, sinurprise din nila ako. Yun pa yung time na uwian ako Cavite QC. Tapos, Hindi nila ako pinapauwi. Remember that?
Parang umiyak.
Anyway, bye guys. Thank you for joining my live. Sobrang chaotic nito. Bye-bye. Mwah. Period.